Do you know of a way across the scar?
I believe we have the keystone of safe crossing, actually. We are carrying it right now. There it is.
Do you know anything more about the keystone of safe crossing?
We're carrying it! Oh well. I believe we're done with this floor. We are. So let's go upstairs. First, avoid the boulders. Okay. Eeny, meeny... This one. Oh, crap. Owls. Oh my god. Holy crap, tons of owls. Oh god. Oh. Owls. Can't hit these things. Oh my god. At least we've got almost got another weapon level. Those things are awful.
Of the three, here lives the humblest. As Sancte is his name.
Alright. More owls. These things are so hard to hit. Oh my god. Okay. Let's rest up for a second. We'll get that last owl. They're not scratching me. Jeez. Okay, it's kind of a funky looking wall. Oh my god. I'm not a fan of these enemies. I'm really not. Gotta rest up for a second. What's with all the portals? Okay, I'm all exhausted. I gotta wait a second. Oops. The hell is that doing? Is that repeatedly going into a portal? It is. Which way do I go? Oh god. No. Those rocks those boulders are just really broken. And it looks like one just rolled in here for no reason and killed the other owl in the room. Staff of Lightning Wild. I believe I know what this does. I don't really need to look. I love those one-shot full heals. Those are the best. Take out this owl here. And this other owl, which is freaking out. And this game is buggy. It's not as bad as like Stone Key, but it's still pretty messed up. An Amulet of Power +2. You know what that means? Let's throw this away. I've got a +2 Amulet of Power now. That is 2 times as good. No reason to carry around a +1 if I got a +2. And ow. Okay, ow. Now the barrel is just rolling back and forth. I'll heal up. Because these boulders are just going nuts. Just rolling in any random direction they feel like. Breaking the game. Okay, where next? I don't like these portals because it's not clear where they take me to. Like that one. Those two took me there, but alright. Let's go.